What's up, YouTube? Today I got this 2007 Chevy Tahoe. Customers complaining about the check engine light being on, and when I scanned it, it's got a code P0449 evap vent valve malfunction. It's a very notorious problem, not just on these Tahoes, but on most GM products. I'm going to show you how to change this today. Anyways, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe so I can continue to make videos like this to make your life easier. Let's get started. Now, the first thing you're going to have to do is you're going to have to take off or drop down your spare tire because it's underneath it. And if you don't know how to do that, at the shop we have universal rods. Just look for your tire tool in one of these little compartments, I think in here maybe, and put it all together and you'll be able to drop it down. The end you're going to use looks like that, the 3/8. And then once you get your tire down, yeah, I just love dealing with spare tires. All right, hit my head. You just take your little key thing out with your ignition key, pull that cylinder out so you can get the tool in there. And there'll be a little plastic cover on that too. You just pop it off with a little flathead screwdriver. Pretty simple. Now we're going to go up in the air, and I'm going to show you where this thing lives. This is our guy right here. Funny looking contraption. Now you might have other codes too, like a 455 or 456, evap small leak, evap large leak, because when those solenoids start going bad, they'll get stuck open a little bit or a lot. And the computer will think that it's got an evap leak. We're gonna get some light going here for y'all. A good place to put it here. Let's see. All right. Set my tools down. First thing we're gonna cut this old vent line out of the way. No matter how rough you are with it, we're replacing it. Alright. I'm going to disconnect this hose right here from the evap canister. Yeah, hit my head. Yeah, it's kind of in the way of the drive shaft here. Alright. To disconnect that, you just push up on that plastic tab and then pull. Push, pull. Alright. Now we're going to unplug it. Like I said, don't matter how rough you are with it, just rip it off this bracket. Now that bracket has a 13mm bolt on top. See if I can get my fingers on it. No, it's going to be one of those bolts. Just when you think it's loose enough, it tricks you. Come on. There we go. Save your bolt. Go ahead and feed your back line over the frame here. Okay. Get in there. All right. That bolt's a little long. I don't know that they need to make it that long. Whatever. Alright, let's go ahead and connect this hose. Just till you hear it click. Okay, now they give you the updated style, so they give you a new junction, pigtail junction. And just secure it to the frame right there, just like that. Now the fun part. At least they included zip ties with it. Figure out how they go. Come on. There you go. No? How do those work? Let's go here. Well, I done did it now. Let's see. Come on. Think, man. What the hell am I doing wrong? I think that zip tie's broke. I know, there it went. Okay, that's weird. Huh. Could have swore that's what I did the first 10 times. Bring it up higher. Pull it tight. Alright. I guess it's just them two. Yeah, that's it. Pull that nice and tight. Don't restrict the flow, but just gonna tuck it up in there like that. That zip tie's broke. That's why it keeps doing that to me. Alright, I don't know. I can't pull it any tighter though. That's the weird thing. That one worked out just fine. I'm just going to go get another zip tie just to secure it a little bit better up there, but I don't think I need to show you all that. Anyways, sorry about the technical difficulties here. I'm going to put my spare tire back up, I'm going to clear these codes and take it for a test drive, try to get the VAT monitors to pass. You might have to put it on the interstate. A lot of cars, the VAT monitor is going to be the last one to pass when you reset your lights, so more than likely you'll have to drive on the interstate for so many miles. So. Anyways, I hope y'all like this video. I'm going to finish this thing up. I'm not going to show y'all how to put the spare tire back up. I ain't got time for that, so I got to move on. I hope y'all subscribe. Please check like.